Alright guys, welcome back to another video. How you all doing? Hope you're good. I'm here at Mark's Bothy. It's been just under 2 years since the last time I was here on Loch Long. Just needed to get away, shake the cobwebs off, 5 mile hike in. Just going to cook some food, get a fire pumping, do the Bothy stuff, got the fishing rods, going to try and catch some sea trout or something in there. But aye, it's looking good. We've had some rain in the way in, there's been a lot of rain during the night. But there's plenty of wood lying about it. I found some wood already inside. Let's go and take a wee look inside. Look at the sheep. Yeah. But aye, rocked up and there's timber all chopped inside it. So we've seen some birch back there, it's felled in, we're going to get that. But apart from that, we're good. Let's see. Look at this. Firewood all there. The chair is still here. And there's a new stool. There used to be 2 of the chairs years ago, but somebody must have set them on fire. There's the old residence there. Into the bedroom. But aye, it's just a bit chilling, get a nice fire, we've got plenty of grub to cook, we've got curries, we've got steaks, pork chops, all sorts of things to cook. So it's going to be good. All that blood. Excellent. Good stuff. See, we arrived and there was tons of wood there, but we're still getting wood, we're still processing wood because it's winter. You always need more than you think. Plus we want to leave stuff behind for the next people that turn up, just in case they're in a pinch. They're out, it's belting rain, freezing cold or whatever. You know, people come in, their hands, their fingers are numb. It's good to leave some wood here. You always leave some food behind and all. Any leftover food for guys or women coming in.
Kick up the dirt, boots pound the granite. Weather hits hard, but I'm here to stand it. Mist in my lungs, I'm alive, no panic. Racing the clouds on a Highland planet. March up the slope, rock slicing my skin. Fear in my veins, but I let the wild in. Steel in my soul, got the will to begin. Climb for the sky, let the battle drum spin.
Firewood's coming along. It's not requiring too much effort. A lot of stuff's been felled up there. So about 200 or 300 metres up the track. But what they've done is they're meant to leave the birch in place, but there's like 3 birch trees just lying down, been knocked down, obviously by mistake. So we'll go up and get a couple of sections of that. And with all of that, that'll be enough. And we can still leave some for the morning for the next people that come. Just in case they come and it's Baltic and need a wee quick fire, we'll whittle some down into tinder and that for them. We'll do that in the morning. But just get this fire established and then get some lunch on, because it's just probably just past lunchtime now, so it'll end up being a late dinner again. But that's the way it works at the Bothies. Love it. Whiskey galore. Is that ghee in the coconut oil thing?
Aye.
Right, so there's ghee in there. No coconut. Right, it's time to get some late lunch cooked. Get the fire down to a nice wee embers. So we can get this grate here to slide over, put the frying pan on. It's going to be good. We've got pork chops. What did you say the spice mix was?
Bonfire spice.
Bonfire spice, and I have got, woo, and I've got the Louisiana Cajun on my Denver steak. We're just going to split that. So we're ready to rock. Now the Jason's bonfire pork. I hope it's spicy.
I think it's got a wee in it to it if I remember.
Hopefully. I like some heat, man. Woo. Oh yeah. Warm. Aye. Oh, a wee bit bump. I've got steak on here, Jason's pork. Bonfire spice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Bloody good. Wow. That is good. Some amount of juice coming out. Good. Medium rare Denver steak. Done. Awesome. No, if we don't do that in April, in the summer, or whatever, we could do it. Like that Bothy Valley Village. That's just the other back of Ireland, just off a wee village, just round the corner for it. And you straight in up the forest track, and then there's that one at Brannock. What's the name of that Bothy?
Can't remember.
I'll need to look at the site.
No.
I have looked at it before,
No.
and I've been looking on the NBA. So then you get that one, then that would lead you up. Get up, you could go up to Newton Moor for there.
Right.
You could go up Avonmore way. There's Bothy's up there. There's a Bothy. I'm just doing it's about 30-40 minutes before it gets dark. We've got quite a lot of wood there, but it's cold. So I'm just going to get in there a couple of bits just to make sure. A couple of long sections so if it's dark, you can go out and chop them up during the night if need be. So there's a big oak tree here. I've just seen a couple of big limbs and stuff have all fell off it, and in fact that's not even off that, that's a separate tree. It's just fell out through there. So I'm going to take some sections of this, just get them all down by there, because the oak will burn long. Any damp stuff we'll get them in, get them dried. Curry is on. We'll look at that once it's cooked. Jason's there here cooking the rice. You get a wee alcohol stove?
It's in the bag.
Or is it in the bag? But you've got the old Austrian mess tin, Austrian military mess tin with the rice inside. Awesome. It's a good wee bit of kit that. It's a curry and beef mince curry. It's cooking away. Jason's doing the rice in the Austrian thingy bob. Beautiful. It's good in the winter to see all the steam coming out of your food. It's steaming. That is roasted though. Check that with the fire. Oh, It's dinner a success, Jason.
Definitely.
Enjoy lunch.
Oh, lunch.
I enjoyed the pork chops that Jason brought the bonfire.
Bonfire spice, yeah.
Who's he getting that for?
Don't know, it was a gift set.
It was a gift set, so that's what I mean. Once that runs out, we're screwed. I really like the bonfire spice, whatever it was. He's got it in a gift set for Christmas or something. One of the ones will probably won't be able to find that again, but that was good. Now we get this mince curry and it's banging, but it's roasting hot, isn't it?
Oh,
It's
it's
like,
one.
it's like, you want to eat it, but it's like burning the mouth off you. But it's all good. So we're sitting, it's 10 at night. And I'm kind of resorting to putting some of these big thick bits on, try to get them to burn, because look at the wood pile. 10 at night. And it's the winter, but it's no below zero or nothing. You know, that's just us keeping the fire ticking there at a kind of medium level. If it was really cold, we'd be putting loads of wood in that fire and keeping it up all the time. So, just goes to show you, in the winter, you think you need a lot of wood, you need 3-4 times what you think you're going to need. So, we've got that left. Got all the stuff you've seen earlier. Get these big loggies, so I'm going to try and get these big loggies burnt, but we've still got stuff outside. We made sure we had logs outside we can chop in the dark and all that if we need them, so it's not a problem. So always make sure you've got that, you know, as a wee safety net, because we want to, if we wake up during the night, just throw a log on and stuff just to keep warm. So it's going to, we're cold in here the night. It's a big stone building, and when you back away for that fire a bit, it's cold. So that's us all set up for bed, back at 11. I'm on this messed up chair, Jason's on the floor, fire's pumping, firewood's ready to grab. We've agreed that maybe we'll swap during the night if we're too uncomfy, I don't know, we'll see what happens. See you in the morning. It's the morning. Didn't have a good sleep. I've just been up walking about here for about half an hour. Jason's still sleeping, but I'm going to be getting in and getting cleaned up and stuff soon. Get a brew made. I'm going to go down and check out the stream. Nice. You can see the tide. It's been right up there with the rain, went up high. But I didn't sleep good in there last night. My back's really sore. Tough. Well, let's get in, wake Jason up, get kettle on. Oh, it's brew bag time. Oh, smell that. Ooh. Black coffee. Yeah. It's all cleaned up. Everything's just a bit packed, ready to go. Let's see what this coffee's like. We've got these coffees here. This one is disgusting.
That's rank. This one's not much better, but it's not really better.
It's like an animal shat in a soak and pissed on it. It's like something wrong with it. That one's a bit nicer, but it's still weird. Oh. It's a shame because Jason's mum got him for a gift. Obviously she didn't know what it tasted like. We don't know, we were looking forward to it. We're like, I can't drink that. He's drinking that?
I'm going to try and drink as much of it as I can.
Oh, can't. It's just with these things you order online, you just never know. They look nice to be bags now, don't they? Maybe there's a couple of nice ones in there, you just so you've got another 5.
Something like that, yeah.
Maybe there's a nice one. This Costa Rican one's terrible. There you go.
That was a Rwandan one, that, and yeah.
Rwandan one.
I feel sorry for the people of Rwanda.
Oh man. Oh. Bugger. Right, all that for nothing. Couple of beers for the next ones. Place is spotless. Big load of firewood in the corner for the next dudes. Just going to let that fire burn into itself, it'll be fine. Windows are all shut. That's us. Ready to rock and roll. We'll say goodbye to the old residents. For the 1850s, eh, ones? What have you forgot?
I need to tie my boots up.
You've not tied your boots! Oh no!